Looking for the best rock garden plants for stunning displays? Welcome to our guide on the perfect plants that can elevate your rocky terrain to an aesthetic paradise. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a picture-perfect rock garden. Today, we bring you the top 5 rock garden plants that can transform your garden into a stunning display. Starting our list with the creeping phlox, a perfect fit for rock gardens. This plant captivates with its blanket of vibrant blooms in spring. It's drought-tolerant, thrives in full sun, and requires minimal care. The creeping phlox, with its vibrant colors and easy-care nature, is a worthy addition to your rock garden. Next up is the ice plant, a unique and hardy choice for your rock garden. This succulent thrives in rocky terrain, boasting vibrant daisy-like flowers. It's a drought-tolerant trooper that adds a pop of color. With its unique appearance and hardy nature, the ice plant is sure to add a touch of intrigue to your rock garden. Moving on to number 3, the rock cress, a rock garden classic. Its vibrant flowers cascade beautifully over rocks, creating a stunning visual display. This hardy plant thrives in well-drained soil and full sunlight. The rock cress, with its cascading blooms, is a timeless choice for any rock garden. At number 4, we have the hen and chicks, a fun and versatile option. Known for their rosette shape and resilience, these plants add a touch of whimsy to any rock garden. They require minimal care, thriving in well-drained soils and sunny spots. The hen and chicks, with its fun shape and versatility, brings a unique charm to your rock garden. Rounding up our list is the yellow alyssum, a bright and cheerful choice. This plant bursts with vibrant yellow flowers, perfect for adding a pop of color to rock gardens. It's a hardy, drought-tolerant plant that requires minimal care. The yellow alyssum, with its bright flowers and easy-care nature, brings a cheerful vibe to your rock garden. These are the top 5 rock garden plants that can transform your garden into a stunning display. Creeping phlox, ice plant, rock cress, hen and chicks, and yellow alyssum all bring unique beauty. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a rock garden. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great gardening tips. Happy gardening!